Good morning, everyone. My name is Julia and I'm part of the marketing team here at Atomy Oceania. Since joining the team, my role has been to manage our education centres around Australia. This means that I've helped members with inquiries about education centres, those wanting to open centres or move their centres to a different location. And you may have seen some of these exciting events happen throughout the past year. But if you're new to Atomy, you might be wondering, what on earth is an education centre? Well, at Atomy Australia, we believe that true success is built on a foundation of knowledge and experience, purpose, and a supportive community. And at the centre of this mission are our education centres, which are essentially local hubs located around Australia, which are dedicated to serving the community and providing a space for growth within Atomy. Our education centres, run by our members, play multiple functions in the community. They can serve as convenient pick-up points for free delivery, especially at our instant click and collect centres, or as an intermediary point for assistance with accounts or issues that people are facing. But the most important and primary purpose of an education centre is to, educate. And this means that it's not just lectures and talks, but through hands-on experience and personalised assistance. So many of our centres provide their own unique schedule of activities. Some provide free facials and demonstrations, while others hold cooking classes using Atomy products. Many hold leadership meetings and even hold their own mini seminars. No matter where you go or which team you're a part of, our centres are a welcoming ground for everyone. We believe in a culture of respect, so that means that it doesn't matter whether you're new to the business, you're not as fluent in English, or you're part of a different team altogether, live in a different suburb, you're welcome to visit any of our centres around Australia and can expect to be supported. Finally, managers aren't just there to manage a delivery pickup point, nor only organise seminars for existing members. They're there to look after you. They provide the guidance and follow-up care needed to ensure every member feels valued and informed, so that you can make the most of your Atomy experience. So as you can see from this whole list alone, running an education centre is a significant responsibility, and we wanted to celebrate the incredible dedication of our managers. In Atomy, we don't simply see them as managers, but as leaders who serve and therefore represent the best of our brand. To ensure our members receive the highest level of support in the community, we set our leaders to an exceptionally high bar. Our education centre managers are individuals who, 1, lead by example. Not just as leaders, but as individuals doing the business themselves. They are proactive and consistently challenge themselves to grow and reach new heights. 2, they are action-oriented. They don't simply talk the talk, but they walk the walk. This means that even before they opened a centre, they were already out there in the field holding meetings and supporting their teams every day. They didn't wait around for a sponsor or until things were perfect, but they took action, even if it was just a small step, to achieve their goals. Number 3, community builders. They recognise that success within Atomy can only be built through a team effort. They consistently led and continue to lead a dedicated group of fellow members and partners to 1, work towards a shared goal, and 2, work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the centre running smoothly. And finally, they stay connected. They are always at the forefront of Atomy's official events. They are committed and diligent and really immerse themselves into the Atomy system. So, if you've been interested in opening a centre yourself or have always just been curious, you now know what the requirements of a leader in Atomy are. And if you're watching this episode at your centre, let's take this moment to thank our centre managers. So as glamorous as the role of a leader might sound, it really is a role of serving others. and so much unseen hard work and dedication goes into it. As Atomy in Australia continues to grow, we're committed to ensuring our education centres remain professional, welcoming and high quality spaces. And so we'd like to invite you to visit your local education centre if you haven't already.